Welcome to Cooking with Taylor. Today we're making a pudding dessert.
What are you gonna do first?
So we have we can use any kind of mixing. I chose vanilla, so I have my vanilla mix here. Then we put 2 cups of milk. We pour it in here.
Yeah, we've done vanilla, we've done chocolate, we've done cheesecake pudding. Any of it works.
And now we're just gonna whisk it, mix it, whatever you call it.
She's gonna whisk for 2 minutes.
And it's gonna be a while.
Okay, we've whisked up the pudding and we added half of a whipped topping. It makes it a little bit more fluffy.
Way fluffier.
We're gonna get this mixed up. Okay, we have our whipped topping in. So now what?
We are going to pour it into here.
Now if you want, you could add bananas, fruit, whatever you want in here. Okay, that's good. Show them next step.
Next, we're gonna put another layer of crackers on. Let's see. I'm gonna lay it this way. You can lay it however you would like. Then it's gonna be weird how I do it, I think. I'm gonna make like a vase, I think, maybe. I always get dirty, it's fine. And then I'm gonna break this up, hopefully. There we go, and put one of these in the middle.
Okay, and now what?
I think we're gonna pour chocolate syrup on it.
Yep, you can do this or not, but sometimes it's fun to put just a little bit. You don't wanna, you could melt chocolate chips and do it that way too. We're just gonna squirt a little bit of our chocolate syrup.
I like chocolate syrup. Do you think that's good?
I think that's good. And it's so yummy. So you're gonna put it in the fridge. I think the pudding mix says for at least 5 minutes, but if you wait longer, the pudding's gonna be a little bit more firm and it's so good.
Yeah, literally. We have it when my mom makes it and it's like really, really good. You should try some.
Especially for a cool dessert that's light and fluffy.
And we've never put chocolate syrup on it, so.
Not a lot of calories really overall.
Yeah.
Good for anyone. And you can make it however you want. Different types of pudding, different types of toppings. Hope you like it.
Yep. Bye. Taste test time. That is good. Let's see. That is so good. Probably 10 billion and trillion thumbs up. Yeah.
All right.
10,000 and trillion and billion and trillion and billion and trillion and billion and over and over again. And trillion and billion and trillion.